Here are two things that will definitely improve your performance. When I talk to my clients, there are two things that I've noticed that if they had more of in their life, it would improve the results that they get. Number one is accountability, and that's what we bring as advisors, coaches, and educators in our work. We hold them accountable for what they say they're going to do. The second one is consequences. So one of the things that happens is that you have consequences that are short term and you have consequences that are long. Let's say, for example, that we say, if you do these three things, you'll grow your business by 10%. One of the challenges with that is that the consequence for that is 12 months out or even 18 months out. And it's too far of a deadline for you to feel like you need to act on it now. I had one client who promised me that if she didn't do a particular set of activities that would contribute to the growth of her company, she had to donate $100 to a political person that she absolutely despised. When we put that in place, that consequence in place, she doubled her performance because she was very motivated not to donate any money to that person who she absolutely despised. So if you want to improve your performance, just add two ingredients: accountability and consequences, and make sure the consequences are in the short term, and they will definitely improve your performance.